Hey guys, what is up today? It's Naveen, or the Casual Coder. Yeah, in today's video, I'll basically be talking about Hacktoberfest, what it is, what I got from it, and just a little bit about why you should get involved in this year's upcoming Hacktoberfest. So I guess to start, probably the easiest way is to show you guys what I got from Hacktoberfest. So as you can see, I'm wearing a Hacktoberfest 2021 t-shirt. So I'll show some more b-roll maybe of it. But yeah, so I got this free t-shirt and a whole bunch of free merch, which was pretty sick. So the first thing is I don't know if you guys have seen this before, but it's the Programmer's Oath. I'm not sure if this is the original or just someone's version of it, but Programmer's Oath, it's pretty cool. You can sign it. It's kind of like a decoration, like postcard looking thing. So that's pretty sick. And a whole bunch of stickers. So one like a GitHub cat or OctoCat, I think is what it's called. One of these stickers. Some more. Some Apprite stickers. An Intel sticker. Oh, let me focus that. Intel sticker. An Hacktoberfest sticker. So this is the 8th edition, so an 8th edition sticker. Oh wait, sorry, that's upside down. Number 8. And Deep Source ship good code. For some reason my camera seems to be inverted, but I'm not sure if this is going to come out right. I might have to edit that out. Sweet. So I guess like the next thing as well is that they sent over like a coaster. So it's a Hacktoberfest, and it comes with a QR code on the back, which I've yet to use, but I'll use before I upload this, so I'll make sure that there's nothing special on there. But yes, it's a QR code, and then just the standard. So this is like my 3rd year doing Hacktoberfest. So they typically have like an Intel sponsored message, so I'll leave it like here. Scan it if you want to read it. Just go up and down again. Some other junk, I guess. Well, not really junk, but it could be informative if someone wants to read that. And yeah, then they just have a enjoy your stickers and get, I guess, this year's sponsor, or main sponsor rather. Surprised it's not DigitalOcean, but I guess it's Apprite this year, so they presented this. And yeah, so oh yeah, and it came, oh, maybe it is DigitalOcean because there's a DigitalOcean sticker as well. But yeah, this year it came in actually a pretty nice bag. I'm not going to show the back because there's my address, but normally they just come in like regular bags, and I'm like, oh, what is this? What is this random package that's come to my house? But yeah, this year they came in a normal, an actual Hacktoberfest sponsored bag. But yeah, so that was basically what I got from Hacktoberfest. Hacktoberfest is basically a yearly celebration or a yearly event that encourages developers and people to get involved with open source code. So that can be involved in a wide range of things, but really what matters to Hacktoberfest is that you participate and you get involved. And if you're wondering about how to get these like merch and all those stickers, basically this year's rules were that you need to submit 4 pull requests to any open source repository. And so what that basically does, and those pull requests needed to be approved, so you couldn't just willy-nilly pull requests as in previous years, which led to a lot of spam requests, a lot of spam PRs. But basically Hacktoberfest encourages people to just, you know, get involved with open source, you know, dip their feet into open source coding, because definitely like open source software is definitely a cornerstone of the development ecosystem, and without open source we wouldn't have a lot of the software and tools available to us. So it's definitely good to get as many people involved developing an open source software as possible. And so it's really awesome to see that organization or multiple organizations actually, team up together and put on events like this and encourage people to get involved. So yeah, I'll definitely link some better description and also some links to Hacktoberfest. Just looking at the website as well, like this year's statistics, there was 141,802 registered users, 294,000 accepted PRs and merge requests, and 194 represented countries, which is pretty crazy. So yeah, it's basically a huge event that encourages open source development, and yeah, it gets people involved and people, to understand like what are people actually doing in terms of open source development. But yeah, I'll make sure to link a whole bunch of stuff in my bio and link it so everyone gets involved for next year. So as the name implies, Hacktoberfest is something that occurs in October. So it goes for the whole month. And yeah, like I said, you just basically need to submit a couple of PRs, get them approved, and then that's basically how you get your free merch. So yeah, that's about it. Thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you next time. Peace.